Hey guys, this is Jake at Last Mile SF. I'm going to go through replacing one of these tires. This is the rear. It's a little easier than doing the back of one of these Henoh scooters. There's a lot of different cheaper model scooters out there that have the same similar setup. So we're just going to go through it and here it goes. The tools you're going to need, a couple tire irons, a 3mm Allen key, depending on the scooter, it could be a Phillips here, whatnot. And you're gonna need a razor blade to take this back sticker off. Most of the scooters like these have this back little sticker. You're also gonna need a couple beers. First things first, you're gonna need to take these stickers off. Sometimes they come off easy, sometimes they don't. Just kind of go around it with a razor blade. And it should peel right off. Same goes to the other side. That one didn't come off as easy, but got that one out. Now there's another screw right up here. You're gonna want to get that out. Got those 4 screws out, so you pop this plate off. Depending on the scooter, different models have different screws. Sometimes it's just one single screw. This one looks like there's 5 screws on each side you gotta slide out. So I'm gonna get to that. They're pretty tight in there. Same goes for the other side. Pop this little plate off. And then, now that all those screws are out, the wheel should just slide right out. Boom. Looks like there's 2 little plates here that you don't want to drop on the ground unless you want to drink. And now we're going to use these tire irons to pry the tire off the rim. You want to make sure to not bend the rotor when you're doing this. This is where you got to use a little muscle. It's pretty tight on there. Yeah, gonna need a little break here. Looks like in this case, the guy rode it on a flat and the tube completely disintegrated. That's pretty gnarly. I'm just gonna take the whole tire off. That's off, that's trash obviously. Probably have to clean that out, it's a mess. Normally, you don't want to ride on a flat. In this case, since the rim is all torn up and there's a bunch of pieces of the tube all over it, we're going to clean it off. We have a wire wheel we're going to use, but you could just use like a wire brush or something along those lines. Let's get it going. Here we go. Pretty clean. Ready to rock. So there's a bunch of different ways to do this. I like to do it this way. Throw the stem through this little hole first. Like that. Make sure your tire is rotating the right direction. There's a little arrow that points to show you which direction it should be going. That should be like that. So pull the tube up through here. And kind of boom. That side's on the rim. Put the tube in the tire. Cool, man.
Oh, don't worry. Thank you.
Thanks.
You guys drinking beer, huh? I drink you one too outside.
Nice. Alrighty. So the tube's in the tire. Doesn't look like it's gonna get pinched at all. Now you're gonna need your buddy's help because it's a huge pain in the ass by yourself. Alright, so do you want to hold this side?
Sure. Want to use this?
Yeah.
I'm holding.
Yeah. So he's gonna get the tire on about a quarter of the way on the rim. And then I'll come around with the levers and pry the tire on. Like that. Interesting. It was so easy last time. You got it? And take that. And ow! Oh, I'm gonna have one of those that you had yesterday. As you can see, it's not the easiest process. But tire's on there. Let's throw some air in it. Give it a quick massage. And hopefully everything went good. Tire's on there good. It's holding there. Throw these little mounting plates on either side. And slide it back on the scooter. And I'm gonna need my buddy to hold the scooter. and boom. Sometimes, you know, you just gotta take a rubber mallet to the scooter. Slide right on there. Easy peasy. Your rotor won't be rubbing the brake at all. If you did it right. That one. Now you grab the 5. Put these bigger screws in first. On either side. And if you're fast like me, it should go right in. Keep it somewhat loose at first. They're going on the other side. Throw this screw through. Just kind of hand tight. I'm gonna crank it down. Grab the 3, and you got 4 screws on each side that you need to throw back in here. Screws are in, the wheel's moving freely, it's not scraping the brake or anything. Let's throw these plates back on, either side. Boom. Same goes for the other side. Now, if we didn't lose these stickers, you can try to throw these back on. Most of the time, they don't stick too good. And top. And you're ready to rock. That works. Doesn't really matter. Yeah. Then I'm gonna take off this back. I'm gonna take off this back screw right here.
You're gonna have to.
I'm gonna need to fill up my beer now. Usually I do a perfect pour. And that's it. Henoh?
I would pronounce it as it looks. It's easy.
Hold up. Ready?